Welcome to my channel, Animated Study.
If you want to eat the ice cream at your home and you have three shops nearby your home, one is 90-meter away, second is 40-meter away, and third one is 70-meter away. Which one you prefer? So you can get the ice cream, and ice cream should not be melt. So obviously you are selecting the nearest one, that is 40-meter away from your home. So you are going to the ice cream shop, you are getting the ice cream and come back to your home. It's nice. So here we have selected the minimum distance to get the ice cream. This is what the basic idea about the Prim's algorithm. So today we will see how to construct minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. So here we have a graph, and in previous video we have constructed the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. But in the Kruskal's algorithm we have to sort all the edges before finding the MST. Second things that you have to take care in Kruskal's algorithm is you have to avoid the cycle. But here Prim's algorithm gradually construct the minimum spanning tree. So here we can start from any node, say from V1, and then we start to construct our spanning tree. So once we are selecting the node V1 here, we have a three option. You can reach to the V2 or V4 or V3. So we have shaded these lines with the green color. So you are selecting minimum weight among these three. So we will select this one, that is V1 to V4 with weight 2. So V4 is now connected. Now you find out what other nodes you can reach from the V4. So here you can connect V2 from V4, V5 from V4, V7 from V4, V6 from V4. So you have explored more three nodes, that is V5, V7 and V6. So now from the green shaded edges, we will select the minimum edge which leads to the new unvisited node. So we will select this edge having weight 1. So once we select this, we connect to the V2. Now from V2, you can find V5 also. So you take that edge for also consideration. Now from the all green edges, you again find the minimum one. So you will find 2 here. So you connect V2 to V5. So here you can say V5 is now connected. Now you can include one more edge, that is V5 to V7 having weight 9. So we will include it for the consideration, and then we will again search for the minimum one. So here we will get the this edge having weight is equal to 4, and it will leads to the unvisited node V6. So now we have connected V6. Now we can explore the two new edges, that is V6 to V3 and V6 to V7. So let's include it for our next consideration, and then we again select the minimum one. So in this case 1 is the minimum weight and it will leads to the V3. So let's connect the V3. Now from the V3 you are not getting any new nodes for the connection. So from the remaining edges you are selecting minimum which will leads to V7. So here we have a three options. Either you select this edge with weight 9, or this one with weight 7, or this one with weight 6. So obviously you are selecting this edge with weight 6. So you select it and now you are connected with V7. So here you can see you have connected all the node with taking care of the minimum weight. So this is the basic idea of the Prim's algorithm. Now you can calculate the cost of this minimum spanning tree. So you can get 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. Adding this all, you are getting 16 here. That is exactly same to the Kruskal's algorithm. So with Prim's algorithm, you can gradually build the minimum spanning trees. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks and bye bye.